A very good morning, dear students. I hope that you all are well and you are regularly practicing the questions which are given to you. Now, in today's class, we will be completing chapter number 10, that is time and calendar. We will be doing the last exercise, exercise 10F. Let us do few questions from this exercise. Here, I have written one question. How many days are there in 4 weeks? We have to find how many days are there in 4 weeks. So, how to solve this question? In 4 weeks, how many days are there? In 1 week. In 1 week, how many days are there? 7 days. 7 days are there in 1 week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many days? 7 days are there. So, in 4 weeks, how many days will be there? In 4 weeks, how many days will be there? 7 multiplied by 4. That is equal to 28 days. So 28 days will be there in 4 weeks. Now, how many days are there? If I ask you, how many days are there in 5 weeks? In 5 weeks and 6 days. In 5 weeks and 6 days, we have to find how many days are there. So, 5 weeks. It means 5 multiplied by 7. 5 sevens are 35 days. So, 5 week has how many days? 35 days. 35 days are there in 5 weeks, and now remaining how many days are left? 6 days. So 35 plus 6. You have to add 6 with the 35. So you will be getting 41 days. 41 days are there in 5 weeks and 6 days. Now let us do the next question. How many weeks and days are there? Let us do next type of question. Now in next question, what we have to find? How many weeks and days are there? How many weeks and days? Here we have to find how many weeks and days. We have to find how many weeks or days are there. In first question that is given is 30 days. 30 days are given, and in 30 days we have to find how many weeks and how many days are there in 30 days. So what we will be doing, first of all, 30, you have to divide 30 by 7. So 7 4s are 28. If I subtract it, I get 2 as the remainder. So what I have done here, 30 divided by 7. So if I divide 30 by 7, here I am getting 4. So 4, it is our quotient. So 4 weeks. 4 weeks, and here what is the remainder? 2. So 2 days. 4 weeks and 2 days are there in 30 days. What you have to do, student? If you have to find how many weeks and days are there, in the question it is given 30 days. In 30 days you have to find how many weeks or days are there. So what you have to do? You have to divide this 30 by 7. If you divide 30 by 7, 4 is the quotient. So 4 weeks are there and remainder it is 2. So 2 days are there. Now let us do next question. How many, if I have to find how many months are there? This we have done, how to find the weeks, how to find the days. Now what if in the question, if it is asked to find how many months. Now in the question it is asked how you have to find how many months. What we have to find? We have to find how many months are there. We have to find how many months are there in. The first is 3 years 4 months. 3 years 4 months. What we have to find? How many months are there in 3 years and 4 months? That we have to find out. So in 1 year, how many months are there? How we will be solving this question? We all know that the solution in 1 year, how many months are there? 12 months. You all know that 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. 12 months are there in 1 year. So in 3 years, how many months will be there? 12 multiplied by 3. So 12 multiplied by 3 is 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. It is 36 months. In 3 years, how many months are there? 36 months are there. In 3 years, we got 36 months are there and 4 months are here left. So 36 plus 4. So it is 40 months. So how many months are there in 3 years and 4 months? 40 months are there. 40 months are there in 3 years, 4 months. Now in the question, if it is asked how many years are there, if it is asked instead of month, you have to find how many years are there. Instead of months, now you have to tell how many years are there. Here if I asked how many years, we have to find how many years are there. The first one that is given is 18 months. In 18 months, I have to find how many years are there in the 18 month. So we all know that in 1 year, 12 months are there. In 1 year, 12 months are there. So in 18 months, how many years is there? 1 year and 6 months. In 1 year, how many months are there? 12. 12 plus 6 is 18 and here 18 months is given. Now if I ask you in 44 months, in 44 months, how many years are there? So what you will be doing? Just divide this 44 by 12. You have to divide this 44 by 12. So 12 3s are 36. If I subtract it, I will be getting here 8. So the quotient is 3. So 3 years. And what is the remainder here? The remainder here is 8. So 3 years and 8 months. 3 years and 8 months are there in 44 months. Now let us do the word problem. There is a word problem that is given that is question number 7. A party of tourists stayed in Dehradun for 8 days, in Mussoorie for 11 days and in Haridwar for 4 days. How many weeks and days in all did the party stay at the 3 places? What we have to find? How many days total the party it stayed. So first of all, we'll be writing what is given in the question. Now let us start this question. In the question number 7, that is question number 7, what is given? There is a party. That party stayed in Dehradun. The party stayed in Dehradun. This party stayed in Dehradun for how many days? 8 days. Then the same party, it stayed in Mussoorie. In Mussoorie, this party stayed for 11 days. Then comes Haridwar. In Haridwar, this party in Haridwar, it stayed for 4 days. So the total number of days the party stayed, what you will be doing? We have to add 8 plus 11 plus 4. We have to add this all, 8 plus 11 plus 4. If we add this all, we will be getting 23 days. So the total 23 days the party stayed. Now we have to find how many weeks and day. So in 23 days we have to find how many weeks or days are there. So simply 23, you have to divide it by 7. So 7 3s are 21. Here left 2. So 3 weeks and 2 days. The party it stayed for 3 weeks and 2 days. How much the party it stayed? The party stayed for 3 weeks and 2 days. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day and God bless you all.